Guys, watch this. Oh. Sorry, guys. Guys, watch me clutch this up. Clutch the land. Oh, landed it. Ignore the Felipe. That curve is a free model. Why did I color these white? Sorry, guys. I feel like if I scream so much in the microphone, it's gonna like lower my overall volume because the mic's gonna be like, oh, well, if his average voice is speaking at this volume, we're gonna lower it because the quieter stuff has got to be quieter. Because that's probably him whispering, yeah. If that makes any sense. And if it doesn't make any sense, I'm not re-explaining it. Yeah, guys, there's a reason why I have the volume off. Ah! My hat is not perfectly centered with my face. Wait, is it? No, it's not. It probably is, but on my screen, 0.0001 studs to the right. Just. Oh! Today is actually the 30th, and my parents are hosting a. As I was saying, fast forward 3 days. It is November 30th, 2 days after Thanksgiving, at the time of recording. And the crazy thing is, I'm having 2 Thanksgiving parties because 2 different homes, so that's pretty interesting. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, go. I'm already fumbling, oh gosh. Oh no. Ooh, what? Okay, I just jumped that. I just jumped the entire car. You guys, you gotta be kidding me. And Jay wins. Where is bro's left hand? Oh. 3, 2, 1, go. Yo! Oh gosh. Oh gosh. And Mars the only one still driving. Wait, never mind, Caleb. Caleb, wait. Mar falls. Who's left? And Jay is the last one alive, other than Caleb, who's walking. He flips. Can you make it? He falls to the hole. And to the finish.
Come off the game. Come and visit.
Yo, and because my mom was talking to me, we do not get to see if he finished. Oh gosh, blue car just flew off the track. Alright, is this 2 of us? Oh, what? What is happening? My flip button got stuck in the car itself, and I think that's where we're gonna end off this video for now. See you guys next time.